Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today we're going to be working with a garage door opener. Now first thing you need to know, we are working with a Logic 5 by Liftmaster, and we tried all sorts of remotes but they wouldn't work. We found out that they had to be Security 2.0. This was just installed in 2018. So let's show you the kind of remote you need. It looks like this. That's the model number. We grabbed this from Home Depot. Remote looks like this. It's a mini remote, actually looks decent. So next thing you're going to have to do is climb this ladder. I'm not going to film myself doing this just in case I drop my phone. Next thing I'm going to say right away is if you're noticing you have range issues, I made my own antenna. All it is it's a piece of coax about a foot long, and the last 4 inches I strip the copper off, make sure none of the silver parts are wrapped around the copper. That way it's not grounding it. Once it's open like so, you'll see this radio button. It sits right here. Click it until it glows. After that, you'll hit this button and you'll click it like so till it blinks like that. After you do that, click and hit it. You'll see the light go out, and watch this. Boom. It works. If it is not 2.0 compatible, that light won't blink and you'll just get really, really irritated. Like I said, we tried a few remotes like Sky something and a couple other ones that didn't work, but that's all there is to it. Hope this video helps you out. Press like if it does. Subscribe for more.